I joined Greg with Entry Systems at an installation in Colville, where the trenching through obstructions such as trees and a maze of wiring and utilities would be so cost prohibitive, without a Surefire, they just wouldn't do it. Greg explains the job.
I'm Greg Lossick with Entry Systems, and we are installing a LiftMaster Cap 2B access control system with a Surefire Wiegand bridge, and then a LiftMaster Wiegand keypad to open a barrier gate arm for a RV park. So we tested the Wiegand system. We increased the spanning a little bit on it to get a little more range out of it, make sure that we're going to have good salt signal.
Here you can see we use the new Surefire Retrofit assessment tool that we call the RAT to read what's happening with the existing access control system, push Wiegand data, and read credentials.
We would have to trench and pull wires the whole way. They're thousands of dollars, and months or a couple months worth of time. Yeah, they wouldn't have done it. They just wouldn't do it. They would hire somebody to go out there and manually add codes and change codes to the keypad every time. Because it's just not worth it.